Hi my dear friends, today I am going to show you how to unzip a file with 7-zip application. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking this video. As a first step, you need to go to your browser. In my case, I am going to search for Chrome. Yeah, this is the application. Yeah, now it is opened. Okay, alright. Okay, got it. Okay, in this address bar, you need to type 7-zip download and hit enter. The first option you can see it's 7-zip website, and you just tap on download, and there are a lot of versions here, 64 and 32-bit versions. For Linux versions, Mac OS and Windows, in my case I use Windows, so I just need to tap on this one. So then after it will be download, and you need to install that one also. In my case I already installed that application, so I am going to skip that installation part. So to unzip the zip file, in my case this is the zip file I need to unzip using 7-zip. What you have to do is just right click on it and go to show more options. You can see there is a option called 7-zip, and go to site menu, and you can see various options for extract that application. You can extract file to specific folder and extract here. You can extract to kkk folder, and I like to use this one. Just tap on it. Okay, now you can see it is extracted, and it will create new kkk folder. Go double tap on it. Yeah, now I can see my file is there. Yeah, so this is how you can unzip a file with zip file, 7-zip. So if you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and liking this video.